another change this year. Can you believe it? After SAU conducted its own exam, IIT Delhi reduced its number of seats, and now GIPE has come and made a change. GIPE is also conducting its own exam. Now don't get scared. I have all the information and I'll help you with it. So let's go. Now GIPE decided to take students under CUET. It's still doing that. GIPE will first admit students through CUET for its MSc programs. After that, GIPE will conduct an online exam. This is called the GIPE SET exam. The purpose is that if you did not score well in CUET or you missed it, you can still sit for GIPE. So how to do that? 7 to 15 June will be the first window. You can book a slot and you can take an online proctored exam. 50 marks is the exam weightage and percentage. Now, once you clear that exam, they will call you for an online interview on the 20th of June. And that is also for 50 marks. Together makes 100 marks. This same option is in the next week also. So after 20th of June interview, there is a second week. The exam is conducted again the next week. You have a 1 week slot. You can again book a slot and you can take the exam. Please note, you can only take the exam once, but you can take the exam and there will be an interview conducted on the 2nd of July. Same way, 50 marks for the exam, 50 marks for the interview, and then together is 100 marks. Then after that, they will take out a merit list based on both the interviews for 100 marks, and then you'll be admitted into GIPE. The entrance test will be for 50 marks for Eco, Math Stat and General Aptitude. So now that's how GIPE is doing it. It's giving you another opportunity to take the GIPE exam so that you can take a preferred course in GIPE. So that's the big change. You also have GIPE to give this year. After IIFT, there is also GIPE. So more options for you all. All the best. Let's do it this year. Let's secure a seat for you this year itself. Thank you.